everyone, so today we are in Ubud and then we will show you how it is Ubud and and you just arrived here. So many people already asking about the Balinese dance, kecak dance, and yeah, let's show you how it is.
Why are you laughing, sir?
No, my mind is just like, see, Balinese dance, Balinese dance, Balinese dance.
Yeah, because all every single corner there is the Bali brothers selling the dances. Meanwhile, this is the one of the Wukmani's rice field wall. That's the name proper. You can also walk there. There's nice rice field, what is not secret anymore. Used to showing you. And meanwhile, yeah, that's how does it look like actually. So many people, quite a lot. And you can buy your ticket to the traditional dance in Bali, in Ubud especially, very popular. And meanwhile, this is a little bit of the traffic situation. As always, Ubud is pretty busy, and check this out, what's going on here, and this and this and here, and people driving. Also, this is also very interesting way how the local people like to driving by sidewalks, just in case if you've been in Bali and you never spot like this one, is very interesting. And his guy, yeah, meanwhile, that's how does it look like. Let's get inside the center, bless ya. And yeah, well, that's how does it look like. Restaurants are pretty busy in Ubud, that's I'm gonna tell you for sure. And yeah, overall, yeah, this is Ubud. Also seems like the Ubud art market gonna be open very, very soon. They already open half of the outside the fence is already different, and they have a billboard. Sayang, they have a billboard there. Okay, we're gonna show you. This is actually interesting. But before we're gonna get there, this is the corner. You can buy dance like this one in case if you're interested. From the lovely auntie here from Bali. Hello. How much? 100k rupiah. Thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, that's you already know many things today. Taxi driver, how much to going somewhere, bro?
Yeah. To
Where?
the moon.
To the moon, free, yeah? You see, everybody are so happy and jokers here in Ubud in general. Guy can drive you to the moon, fly me to the moon. Ali, if we're gonna not careful how we cross the street, we really can see the moon soon. Look at this, boys. They are just chilling. They have an antique Supra. That's also nice bike. And yeah, that's how does it look like in general. And this is the brand new look of the art market. I think they're gonna open shortly. I think, I don't know, 1 month maybe, Sam. What do you reckon?
Yeah, and
Maybe.
then look over there. Can you see that?
Billboard. I will zoom it. Oh, billboard. Sayang, you like billboards, aren't you?
Billboard makes me like, you know, lighting. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh my God. We were driving in the huge traffic. That's why we are laughing so much,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, the traffic is so bad. You know, around from Sanur to Ubud today we took around 2 hours.
2.5 actually to be
2.5?
exact. 2.5. Actually to be exact, 2.5. And yeah, that's how does it look like. Also, it's interesting fact is the wedding season. There are seasons for weddings. They are not weddings every day. So today is the season. So that's also maybe one of the reasons why it's like that. Also quite a lot of tourists actually, the actual tourists, which is actually cool. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look on the side of the art market since still is bright and we can see how does it look like. Actually, the amount of tourists here in Ubud today, it's actually quite impressive. I don't know what is more impressive actually, the amount of tourists or the art market what's gonna be open near soon. And they actually have showing the rice field drone shot there. Actually looks very similar to mine what I was doing. I hope so they didn't took it from my YouTube though. But no, most likely not. Anyway, that's how does it look like. Here we go. Also sunset is they just switch on the lights when I'm filming. I'm gonna try to pass the street. Hopefully I'm not gonna fly to the moon now. And this is the entrance to the gonna be entrance. You can sit already here, so we're gonna sit and enjoying the traffic situation. Like you can grab the taxi just on the corner, on the middle of the junction. This is only in Asia possible. Not even in Singapore is not possible like that, but in here yes. Still, that's why probably the traffic is so badly. And that's how does it look like here actually. First look, There must be grand opening soon, Saya.
Ah,
Probably.
so nice.
And we're going to show you around. This is the most exciting thing here next to the pass here sign, the Pasar Ubud actually. Yeah, there are people working and everything, but check this out. There is entrance to the parking lot. Oh my God. Still closed, but there is entrance. That
So
looks
it means
optimistic.
they have underground parking. So
Hopefully,
that's
hopefully,
good,
Saya,
that's
hopefully.
good.
That's actually cool. This is what we all waiting for. And meanwhile, that's how this looks like. So as you can see, progress of the art market in Ubud is very advanced. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this one? For us, very exciting, especially if the parking is that's very exciting. And I wanna like little bit sneak through the fence. How does it look like inside? It's empty, as you can see. Actually just empty, not yet. 1 month at least.
Okay, so Ubud Market is already, I think that, let's say about 85 or 90% will be ready to open. And wow, it looks so modern. And also the billboard, ding, 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 ding. My eyes is lighting. My twinkle stars,
Winkle, winkle, star.
Okay, so what do you think, guys, about the brand new Ubud Art Market? So you can comment here. So do you like it or you prefer the old one?
Exactly, and of course we have to wait when they're gonna open and how it's gonna look inside. But meanwhile, it looks like this, so let me know. And I'm gonna show you the traffic situation. This is probably the best observation point right now to watch situation on the streets. All right, so that's how does it look like. The people waving at the front. I don't know what they are waving actually for. I zoom it for you. And the situation looks like this one actually. People driving, walking, just another day in Ubud, I could say. So we're going into direction of Jalan Monkey Forest. Actually, this is Jalan Monkey Forest, but going in that direction, closer to the forest itself. So many restaurants, and we are hunting for something for dinner. Actually, I got hungry right now, so it's a good time for dinner. Didn't have a lunch today. Here we go, little baby, hello. And yeah, overall looks like this one. Quite a lot of people on Jalan Monkey Forest, I could say. You can buy some interesting stuff as always. Ladies praying here as always. It's after 6, so it's after prayer time. Yeah, that's how does it look like. Overall stuff here on Jalan Monkey Forest. Traffic situation actually slightly like bigger, like black coffee here, and secret gelato, and Bollywood Indian cuisine, everything, and tropical. This is actually pretty alright place for dinner. They have a nice pizza, maybe could come here. I like the lighting, they're actually good for making video inside. I just want to stop a little bit, show you around what's going on. It's actually quite beautiful. This is how you cross the street, like in Vietnam. You put the hand up and go, and never look back. So you're not gonna fly to the moon with the taxi driver. And yeah, that's how does it look like after that, what I'm gonna tell you. This fly me to the moon guy, taxi driver, cracked me up today, to be honest. He didn't want to let me know how much, but I also didn't ask him where to go anyways. It's all negotiable, and that's how does it look like here. It will be cool actually when the market is open. It will be something totally new to film, to show you. And after that, it's like this. Loud bikes always must be. You can buy souvenirs like this one on the street. Praying somebody here today, a lot of. What was that actually? Why so noisy?
I have no clue.
Maybe crash or something. Thinking now about the Sami Warung, there where you can sit and look at the traffic situation if they have an empty table. And it's not actually that really crowded, little bit more far deep inside of the Jalan Monkey Forest. By the way, it's beautiful sky just now after sunset, so actually, why not? And, well, that's it. This is the Sami Warung. So this is what I'm talking about. One of my favorite places to having lunch or dinner. Maybe dinner, because during the lunchtime it's too hot, and the opposite way they have a restaurant. Actually, this restaurant is empty today, and this one I'm going up there. Hopefully there is the seat. I think this is This is the entrance, Sami Warung, like this one. You have to go up, and I think we go there. Yeah? Let's go.
Time to have a dinner. So yeah, this is how it is in the Warung situation. What I can say, almost full house.
Pretty busy actually. We are unlucky we have no seat with the view today.
Yeah, I think this one is the busiest Warung so far that I see. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!